Good morning students. In our previous video, we started the topic import procedures and documentation. In that video, we have already discussed about import documentation. In our present video, we will start with import procedures. As is visible on your screen, the different steps included are: the very first one is e-filing of documents. Goods should arrive at customs port or airport only. Most of the custom procedures are computerized, therefore e-filing of documents is required. Next, import manifest और import report. इसको हम अपने previous video में discuss कर चुके हैं. Person in charge of the conveyance, as the case may be, is required to submit either the import manifest or the import report. Next is entry in words. Goods can be unloaded only after grant of entry in words. Next is risk management system. Self-assessment on the basis of risk management system has been introduced in respect of specified goods and importers. Next, bill of entry for home consumption on payment of customs duty. Importer has to submit bill of entry giving details of goods being imported along with the required documents. Electronic submission of documents is done in major ports. Home consumption के लिए जो bill of entry है that is of white color. Imported goods are cleared on payment of customs duty. Whereas bill of entry for warehousing. Yellow bill of entry is for warehousing. It is also termed as into bond bill of entry as bond is executed. Duty is not paid and imported goods are transferred to warehouse where these are stored. Green bill of entry is for clearance from warehouse if payment of customs duty is made. It is for ex bond clearance. Next we are looking a detail further thereof. Import clearance procedure. Upon cargo arrival, the importer has two options: to clear immediately or to store under bond or clear later. So, first, bonded warehousing. Cargo is put in bonded warehouse and cleared later upon payment of applicable duties. Bonded warehouse storage charges will be applicable during the period of storage. Clearance for home consumption. Cargo is cleared for delivery upon payment of applicable duties. Importer takes away his cargo and no storage charge is applicable if done so during the free period. Further, we will discuss clearance for home consumption in detail. Import clearance can be under any one of the various promotional schemes in which an industry is categorized. Examples are EOU, SEZ, etc. Filing bill of entry via EDI, that is electronic data interface, or manually with all documents. डॉक्यूमेंट्स एज यू कैन सी ऑन योर स्क्रीन हमने ऑलरेडी भी डिस्कस किए हैं. कमर्शियल इनवॉइस, पैकिंग लिस्ट, बिल ऑफ लेडिंग और एयरवे बिल, डिलीवरी ऑर्डर, सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ ओरिजिन, कार्गो कैटलॉग, इंपोर्ट और इंडस्ट्रियल लाइसेंस. For the EDI filing, electronic input, generation of checklist, generation of BE number noting, etc. is done. Then processing of bill of entry by customs officials, appraisal and assessment. Appraisal में import permissibility as per EXIM policy, correctness of docs, that is documents and declarations are seen, correctness of value and fraud prevention is done. From the assessment point of view, calculation of duties as per cargo classification, advance cargo exam if necessary to determine classification and calculate duties. Then we have clearance for home consumption. The steps included are payment of duties as assessed as per tariff, which include mode of payment, online under registration, customs nominated banks and demand draft. Advance examination is done. Upon receipt of exam report, cargo classification is determined and duty calculation is made, which results in cargo examination in line with appraised documents. Examination includes partial as percentage at random, full 100% cargo examination. Then customs out of charge, cargo customs cleared and ready for delivery. So this is the clearance procedure for home consumption. So in this video we have discussed about import procedure for home consumption as well as for warehousing. Thank you.